this is Dr. Asra Sajjad. I'm a specialist dermatologist, and now we are going to talk about one of the procedure which is really useful, and it also cuts down the price of your acne scar treatment, and your sessions will be reduced if you start with this procedure. The acne scar treatment, if you'll start with this procedure with Subcision, you will have much better effects and less cost and less sessions. The thing that we need to do, I will introduce first the equipment. First of all, we are going to use the numbing cream to numb the skin. And then we'll also infiltrate the skin with this local anesthesia. And after that, the main thing that we have to use is this one. The best needle, or you can say the specialized needle for doing Subcision is the no-con needle, but my way is to do it with the blunt cannula. It takes a little more effort from the doctor, but what happens that with the blunt and cannula like this, we can reduce the soft tissue trauma. Soft tissue trauma to the skin will be reduced, and the patient will have less bruises, less marks, and less trauma, and the recovery will be faster. And my way is, if we do only Subcision, this is also sufficient, but we need to have much better effects. So when I'm doing the Subcision, what we are doing, we are introducing this blunt and cannula, and then I'm separating the scars, the fibers I'm detaching from the down skin, so that that scar is elevated. And then at the same time, I will also inject the PRP, and then I will do also the microneedling with the help of this device and a microneedle cartridge. I will do the needling at the same day. And my logic is, my science is what, when we are elevating the scar, because our skin, it can go back and can be the same way again if we will not put anything inside. That's why sometimes I put PRP, some skin boosters according to the budget of the patient, and then I'm also doing the needling so that I'm stimulating patient's own collagen synthesis. So when the effect of PRP injection has gone, or when the skin booster has gone, the microneedling should be working and it will stimulate your own skin collagen. And when the protein synthesis is going on inside your skin, then what will happen? You will have the refilling of the scar by your own skin stimulation. And with the consent of the patient, right now, I'm going to show you the procedure as well. This is a very useful procedure called Subcision, and we do this procedure to elevate the acne scars. Like the acne scars, box and ice pick scars, they're attached to the down skin with some fibrous tissue. So we need to cut that fibrous tissue or that fibrosis by introducing this cannula or some specialized needle into the skin down like this. And then we are cutting the fibers like this. The patient can hear the sound even. And it's a very good procedure to elevate the scar. And then we can do microneedling, we can do fractional, we can go for the different procedures. But with the Subcision, the procedures, different procedures, they give even more results.